Folks, welcome to the PT on Ice Daily Show brought to you by the Institute of Clinical Excellence. My name is Dustin Jones with the Older Adult Division, and we are going to talk about stimulating foot orthotics. Are they helpful or are they all hype? I've been seeing more and more ads and getting more questions from the folks I'm serving about these new-ish foot orthotics that have kind of these protruding knobs to hopefully improve balance. At least that's what they're trying to sell. And there's some research on this, and a recent publication dove into the impact of those stimulating foot orthotics on postural sway in a very objective manner that I would say is relatively new to the literature relating to these products. Now, I will say, by and large, I'm very skeptical of these types of products that get pushed towards the older adults that I serve. Right, just so many times they get bombarded with ads of copper sleeves and this special glove that's going to hit these pressure points to reduce your pain. Just all this stuff that doesn't have a lot of evidence behind it, but some great marketing. And a lot of the folks I work with will spend lots of money on these products that really have a lot of empty promises. And so I'm very skeptical when someone brings a product across or to me to get my opinion. And this has been a consistent theme of these stimulating foot orthotics. So I wanted to look at the research and share this information with you all. Traditionally, when we think about foot orthotics, usually they're trying to correct for some type of mechanical issue, right? Like thinking about, arch support or a heel lift or increased stiffness, for example. But these foot orthotics have varying kind of protruding knobs that are going to, in theory, stimulate the mechanoreceptors in the foot a little bit more, that can influence proprioception, that somatosensory input, and therefore improve the output of our balance. And there is some data to support this, especially in some different functional outcome measures that has shown some promising data that these do have a positive influence in balance ability. But this study that I'm going to cover right now